Welcome back, friend. So friend, we have finished our previous video at this place. First of all, you see that this text, I said to you before that this text is little much, and 1 2 3, these numbers are not right into the middle of these circles, so we are to bring them right into the middle of these circles, and we are to decrease this text little. So I once again go to my Notepad++ code editor, and I tell you that how can we do this thing. So first of all, friend, we will give some padding top to those numbers. Control S to save, and now I come here. Now you see, check this number, I refresh it, so you see that now these numbers are much better and they are right into the middle of these circles. So now we are to decrease this text. So I go to my HTML index.html page and I decrease the text. Control S to save. So now I come back on browser and refresh it. So friend, now you are watching that now they are looking more better. So friend, we have made this layout till this extent. So now friend, we have to make one more section in our index.html web page, which will be under this section, to bring some more classes, and I show you that how I will work on it. So under this section I will make one more section. Section start and section close. And press enter, and I make a div first of all inside this section and give it a class and define some name for it, the same row name which have been given above already. So that row class style will be applied over this div also. So here I write h2 adding 2, so friend, where the section closed, here too I defined some class. Sorry, actually this class name should be given here. Control V to paste, and here I give it the name. Section / cities. We are currently in these cities, and Control S to save. So friend, now I come out of this div and make one more div and give it a class also. class is equal to row, the same above class, and I close that div. Div class is equal to double quotes, and here I define the class name, call span /1/of/2 space box, img. Here I am to bring an image, therefore I am writing here img tag img src source is equal to double quotes, and here friend I will write the folder name resources, backslash img folder, and here I will write the image name. lisbops/3.jpg. jpg is the extension of that image. Friend, now here I will call a h3 tag, h3 Lisbon, and I close the h3. Now friend, I will make one more div under it, and I also define a class for that div. Class is equal to double quotes city/features, and I close that div. So here friend I write the icon tag. Friend, here I make one icon tag and I gave it a class is equal to double quotes, and now I go to my Chrome browser to get one icon for this. As I said to you that you can get icons from that icon website, so I click on new tab button and I click on home button, and here I write the name of that website. So friend, this is that site, ION icons, ION icons. So in these icons I will select the suitable or matchable icon. This icon will be more suitable, so I have copied its name. I come back in my code editor and paste it. So friend, I have given it the class name icon/small, and this is icon.person is the name of that icon which I copied from that website. So now I come down, Here I write 16 plus happy eaters. Control S to save. And now I copy all of this div and press enter, and I paste it here. Friend, for this second div I will have to change the icon, because I gave this icon to above div. So here I choose the icon for the second copied div. So this star icon will be more suitable. I copied his name and I paste it here. Friend, here I will change the text. +60 top chefs. So I will copy this whole div and paste it down once again. So friend, I once again go back to this site and select one more icon. So this bird icon, Twitter icon, will be more suitable. So I will paste that icon here. And I will also change the text here. @omnifood underscore. So friends, I have written this @omnifood underscore 1x, and I see it now my coding. So friend, I also did one mistake, because call spend div should not be finished here, so I cut it, Control X, and it pasted down right under this div, and Control S to save. So I copy all these divs and paste them here. So friend, you have seen that I have copied all these divs and I have pasted here down. So friend, now I come down and change the name of these images and cities. So I give it a name, San/Francisco. San Francisco. Here too I change the image name. London.jpg. And I write here London. So friend, once again I copy these divs and I paste them here. And here too I will change the names. Berlin.jpg, and here I will write Berlin. Control S to save. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser to see the preview that what's happening here. I refresh this page and I scroll the cursor down. So friend, you see that this text and these images I have brought here, but they are randomly placed here, so I have to stylize them in my style.css style sheet. So in next video I come back and place them in their proper place and also place this text at their proper place.